How to market your business on Facebook. Hello and welcome inside this Facebook marketing course. We are super excited to have you here with us. First of all, thank you very much for investing in this course. Let me assure you that this is going to be the best investment that you have done so far in your Facebook marketing career. Now, without further ado, let's jump straight inside the course. In this particular chapter, we're going to talk about how to market your business on Facebook. Before we get started, let me ask you two things. Do you have a Facebook account? And do you know how to use your Facebook account? Because these are the two things that you will need to make money on Facebook starting today, and I assure you that. So before we jump into the advanced topic, let's first talk about the basic background and information about Facebook. Why is that important? It's important because once you know a little bit about Facebook, you should be able to align yourself better with Facebook as a marketer. Now, let's get started and show you some facts and figures about Facebook. Mark Zuckerberg, as you know, started Facebook, along with his college roommates at Harvard University back in February 2004. Facebook is currently valued at $104 billion. Now, I'm sure that by the time you're listening to this, that $1 billion is going to blow into more for sure. Facebook was called Face Mash, and for legal problems changed to Facebook. It started trading in NASDAQ in 2012. Facebook has 1.3 billion active monthly users. It would be the third largest country in the world if you think of Facebook as a country. 5 new profiles are created every second, and 500,000 comments are posted every minute. There are 680 million mobile Facebook users. Especially with the advancement of mobile apps and technology, people are accessing Facebook more and more through their mobile phones. Facebook's user base is growing at 22%, which is again a huge number. 48% of users log in every single day. Now, imagine this as a marketer. You have a community of users where 50% are logging in every single day. If you compare this with emails or email opens, that's not even 10%. So we have the community where people are logging in on a daily basis. So you have your target market up and running. A person who logs in on Facebook stays for 18 minutes. And 72 million links are being shared every single day, which is again mind-boggling. 51% of fans are more likely to purchase from brands they like on Facebook, so you better make sure many people like your business on Facebook. Now, my question to you is, let's say you're a network marketer, an online marketer, or any kind of agent. Do you have a Facebook fan page which is attracting your target market, offering them value, and in turn making you sales? If you don't have all these things, don't worry. Don't get freaked out. That's why you are inside this course with us. We're going to take you by your hands and help you to create your Facebook fan page in a snap. At the time of this recording, a Facebook fan likes is worth an average of $175, varying from brand to brand. 68% of marketers say Facebook ads are effective in fan and customer acquisition. Meaning if you are not marketing on Facebook properly, you are leaving money on the table. Do you think they are making some money out of it? Of course they are. But here's the deal. Not everybody knows how to set up a Facebook fan page correctly. But you don't have to worry about that because you are here with us inside this course. Today, there is no easier platform to market your business on than Facebook. Now, here's the most important part of this particular video. This is the entire diagram of Facebook marketing. If you can understand this particular diagram, it'll be worth your time. Now, this is how we market our business on Facebook. As you can see, there are 9 rectangles connected to each other. The first of which is find. Find means you need to find your target. You've seen the numbers. You've seen how many users there are in Facebook. how many events are happening every minute and every second. Now we have to use some techniques which will be shown to you. Step-by-step guide on how to find your target market. Then you have to know how to connect to the target market in the right way. Not by spamming and not by annoyingly posting in groups and all, because those things do not work anymore, and Facebook will put you in Facebook jail. So you have to approach people the right way. Then you have to add them as a friend. And then you have to send the right message by using the AIOU method, which I'll share with you later. Then you have to post the correct kind of updates on a daily basis. If you're an advanced user, you can start advertising inside Facebook. Start getting traffic, leads, and then sales. In short, you're going to get a lot of techniques in this course, starting from the very first steps you need to take, like how to connect to the right audience, how to add them, how to send the right message. Then we'll share the moderate to advanced level of post updates and all this stuff. And then we'll go to the advanced mode of Facebook advertising and dark posts and all these kind of cool things. Now, you don't have to do all the things shared to you in this course. If you're already using Facebook, Facebook ads, and you're already a marketer, cool, you can do all these things. But if you're someone who is just getting started inside marketing and Facebook marketing, you can take one strategy shared over here and you can apply that and start making some money, and then go to the advanced level. It's up to you. Again, we're super excited to have you in this course. I believe you're going to enjoy this kind of training. So I'll see you in the next video.